Hi guys, this is Usman from my Server Mentor YouTube channel, and today we are gonna talk about the installation of WHM and cPanel on your Linux server. To install WHM or cPanel, we need a dedicated server or a VPS. cPanel is supported on any Red Hat based operating system like CentOS, Alma Linux, Cloud Linux, and even on Ubuntu servers. So it does not matter which Linux operating system is installed on your server, the steps are going to be the same. Please keep in mind that cPanel is not free and you need to purchase its license. However, you can use its trial for 15 days. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the business. We need to connect to our server using SSH, and for that matter I am using PuTTY SSH client. You can use any other SSH client if you want. Paste in your IP address and hit open button. Type the username as root and type in your password. After that you are logged in as root. Please make sure that your server is up to date. Alright, then we will invoke the cPanel installation command, and this command is written here. I'll copy this command and paste it here and execute it. Alright, cPanel installation has begun, and you will notice that it will take 10 to 15 minutes to install the cPanel on your system, and credentials will be displayed on the screen. Please sit back and relax while this installation completes. Alright, after the installation has completed, we can log into our WHM login panel by using this link. We can just copy this link and paste it in our browser. Don't worry about this connection privacy error, as this is normal. Hit on advanced button and proceed to your link. You will see the WHM login panel. You can use your server credentials to log into your WHM panel. It will take you to the initial setup wizard. You have to agree with this cPanel and WHM conditions, and then it will ask you to put in your email ID that you have used to purchase the cPanel and WHM license. Hit on login button. You will need to put in your email address and password that you used to purchase your cPanel license. After you click on the sign button, you will be redirected back to the original page, and click on the server setup button. You need to type your email address that you want to use as admin for cPanel and WHM account. And click on next. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WHM panel on your server. This is the 15-day trial. You can use it for free, and if you like the WHM and cPanel, then you can pay for the license. To set up your domain on WHM panel, you will go to the account information and Click on List Accounts. Click on Create a new account and type in your domain name. Username will be created automatically and type your password. You can use any password that you want. Type the email that you want to use with your domain. And select for a package that is default. No need to change any settings at this stage and just hit the create button. You will see the cPanel account for your domain has been created. Click Go to cPanel to log into your cPanel for this domain. From here you can explore your cPanel account. You can install WordPress, or you can restore from a backup if you have already got a backup of your website, or you can explore your account. We are skipping all of this for now. So this is the cPanel for your domain. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed. If you do, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And if you got any problems, please do let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, goodbye.